Welcome, dear students, for one more session in 18ME33 Basic Thermodynamics. We are discussing the first chapter, Fundamental Concepts and Definitions. We are solving the problems. Let us take one more problem in this session. The EMF in millivolts in a thermocouple with a test temperature with a test junction at T degree centigrade on a gas thermometer scale, and the reference junction at ice point is given by E is equal to 0.0367 T plus 1.33 into 10 to the power minus 4 T square. The millivoltmeter is calibrated at ice point and steam point. What will be the thermometer readings in a place where gas thermometer reads 50 degree centigrade? If the gas thermometer reads 50 degree centigrade, what will be the value of thermometer readings? This is what we need to find out. So let us write the things given in the problem first. Given when temperature T is equal to 0 degree centigrade, even the gas thermometer also reads 0 degree centigrade. So I can write as ET also will be equal to 0 millivolts. And when T is equal to 50 degree centigrade, right? When T is equal to 50 degree centigrade, right? We need to find out at 50 degree centigrade. So what is the temperature? So let us find out the value of E, that is millivolts at 50 degree centigrade. So will be equal to, we know the governing equation, that is E is equal to 0.0367 into T is 50 plus 1.33 into 10 to the power minus 4 into T square, that is 50 square. I have directly written the governing equation here. So you will get the value at what point? At 50 degree centigrade. So at 50 degree centigrade, the value of E50 is 2.16 millivolts. At 50 degree centigrade, what is the value of EMF? The value of EMF is 2.16 millivolts of a thermocouple. Now we will take the two scales, that is at ice point and steam point. So at ice point, when T is equal to 0 degree centigrade, even the millivolts also is 0. Next, at steam point, when T is equal to 100 degree centigrade, right, we need to find out the value of ES. I have written here at ice point it is 0 because in the equation, governing equation, we have 0.0367 T and plus 1.33 into 10 to the power minus 4 T square. So both the terms we have T. So when I substitute the value of T as 0, directly we will get for ice point, that is EI is equal to 0. Directly I have written the value. For steam point, I cannot write it directly, I need to calculate. So at ice point, it will be 0.0367 into 100 plus 1.33 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 100 square. So I will substitute this value and calculate the value. I will get it as 5 millivolts. This is at steam point. I repeat, at steam point it is 5 millivolts. At ice point it is 0. At 50 degree centigrade it is 2.16 millivolts. Now I need to find out the value of temperature. So to find out the value of temperature, I will take the linear scale. Now what is this linear scale? For linear Celsius scale, we can write the equation as T is equal to 100 into bracket E minus EI divided by ES minus EI. I repeat, we can write the equation as T is equal to 100 into bracket E minus EI divided by ES minus EI. EI is at ice point, ES is at steam point, and E will be at this temperature of 50 degrees centigrade. So T will be equal to 100 into bracket. We have found out the value of E at 50 degrees centigrade is 2.1675 minus EI is 0, that is the millivolts at 0 degree centigrade or at ice point, and at steam point it is 5 minus 0. So substitute this value and solve the equation. When I solve this equation, I will get the value of temperature as T will be equal to 43.35 degree centigrade. I will get the temperature as 43.35 degree centigrade. So I will show you I will repeat once again. The governing equation is given in the problem, that is E is equal to 0.0367t plus 1.33 into 10 to the power minus 4 t square, which is E is equal to, this is the governing equation, and first case he has given the value of t as 50. So when t is given as 50, let us find out the value of E at 50. That is EMF you are finding out at 50 degrees centigrade. So we will get it as 2.16 millivolts. At ice point, when I substitute the value of T as 0 degree centigrade, in the governing equation both the sides I have T, so it becomes 0. So I will get it as EI is equal to 0 degree centigrade. Then at steam point, I need to find out at steam point. So ES will be equal to, if I am substituting in the governing equation, I will get the value of ES as 5 millivolts. So then we know the governing equation or linear equation, that is T is equal to 100 into bracket E minus EI divided by ES minus EI. E is the value at 50 degree centigrade. Here you can write if you want E50. E50 minus EI divided by ES minus EI. So T will be equal to 100 into bracket. We know the value of ES, that is 2.1675 minus 0 divided by 5 minus 0. We will get the value of T. This is the problem. Thank you for today's session.